Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting this cute little dandelion and some more foliage, and for that I did use this Hahnemuller sketchbook or watercolor book, and also I did use this Raphael No. 0 quill brush, Micron's Pigma ink pen 05, and Viviva color sheets, spring set, some foliage green, tree bark brown, happy yellow, midnight blue, and that's all the colors I did use. So without further ado, let's get started. I will start with the sketch, so just gonna place in the center for my dandelion stem and then some little stamens blocking the shape. And the rest of the details I will be doing with the ink later on. And also I do want to place, just for the composition, some more florals underneath the dandelion and some few more grasses at the bottom. Quite simple. And of course you can add in some other flowers or foliage, completely up to you. So now that I'm done with the sketch, I'm gonna go on top of it with the ink, and you can see that my lines are quite sketchy and broken, not clean. I do prefer that look, especially when I'm doing this sort of simple doodles, just adding a little bit more of the texture, a little bit more of the style to my doodles. So like that, and then I'm gonna use this kneaded eraser to erase my pencil lines. I don't want them showing through. And then I'm gonna do a little bit more of the details. This is not a typical look for the dandelion, but that's fine, you know? This is just a doodle, and you can doodle whatever flower you like and make it look just the way you like. Some more of the dots for a whimsical look. And then I'm gonna draw in a little bit more of the details to this other flower, leaving one little dot white for the highlight. I think it just gives it a little bit something extra. And to finish it off, moving on to the watercolors. So my ink pen is waterproof and I can paint on top of it with the watercolors. So make sure if you're doing your ink first and then later on watercolors that you're using a waterproof ink. Of course, some more splatters. And my watercolors are also quite simple and loose. A little bit of the midnight blue. And now that my paper is still wet, that blue is mixing with the green, creating a beautiful turquoise color. And as I said, quite loosely, not trying to keep within the edges or just paint anything, any particular flower, but just adding a little bit of the paint to finish it off. And you know, guys, with that we are done. So as simple as that. You can see definitely something that you can do if you are a beginner, and you can use this idea also for the cards. So if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Again, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!